God, cat gone wild. Yo, what's up, guys? It's Sam. Oh shit, boy. Laser-like reflexes, literally. You got that, Thumbkin? Boy. Xbox One, Xbox 360, computer, monitor, Xbox 360, PS3, 72 flat-inch screen TV.
Look at his head, Sam.
Boy. Then we got this stupid little thing. Just sitting here.
Sam!
It bit me. I don't even do anything.
Pumpkin. Hey, Kiki. Hi. Put Kiki down. It's okay, Kiki. I love you.
Boy,
How are you?
this cat is a miracle.
Oh, look at his head. Ready? Look. Look at his head. Sam, look.
Boy, that head though. He's like, I like penis.
Are you
Yes.
recording?
Do you like penis? No? Do you? You sure? No, you're not sure? Do you? No. Go like this on my shirt. Hey, Pumpkin. No, like rat it up my legs. Hey, Pumpkin. No, like rat. Do you like penis? No? Do you like penis? Hey, it's up here. Hey, Pumpkin, hey. Oh, I didn't even.
I know.
I just like put my hand in there. Hey, Pumpkin. No, put it on me. Pumpkin. Like that, yeah. Hey, Pumpkin. What's that? What's this? Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, what's this? Hey, look at. Pumpkin, look at.
Wait. Ready? I now do it.
Pumpkin, right here. Hey. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Right here. Go right here. Go right here. Pumpkin, look at. Alright, now ride it up my leg.
I don't think you know where it
Hey.
is.
Do you like penis? You said yeah. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's Cat Gone Wild.
Look at his eyes.
Apparently he likes penis. We'll see you guys later. Peace out. Let's go play some more.